Here's the InstaCuppa rechargeable protein shaker, which has a powerful motor with 6500 RPM. It includes a sipper lid with spout, and hence you can directly have your drink from this shaker. It includes a BPA-free transparent jar with 600 ml capacity, and here's the mixing attachment. This mixing attachment is detachable and hence it's very easy to clean. You may either press the power button twice to run it for 30 seconds or long press it to run it for 60 seconds. To manually stop it, you can use single press. You can quickly charge it in 2 hours using the USB-C charging cable, and it has a battery of 1200 mAh. It's compact and travel friendly. To make protein shake, add some milk and protein shake of your choice. Place the lid and start it. You may use the 30-second mode or the 60-second modes, after which it will automatically stop. Perfectly mixed protein shake is ready. For chocolate drink for kids, I'm adding milk and some chocolate drink mix. Place the lid and start the protein shaker. This shaker is safe for kids as well, so they can enjoy preparing their own drink. To make cold coffee, add some chilled milk, instant coffee powder and powdered sugar. Place the lid and blend it for 30 or 60 seconds to your liking, and your coffee will be ready in a few seconds. This protein shaker is perfect for busy moms.